Hello everyone, welcome back. Have you ever wanted to start a business? The truth is, starting a business today isn't easy. You need an idea, a solid plan, marketing, customers, and sometimes even an entire team to make it happen. But what if an AI could help you with all of that? Today we're taking a look at Polsia AI, a platform that calls itself an AI co-founder and claims it can help you build and grow a business from just an idea. So let's find out how useful it really is. First, what exactly is Polsia AI? In simple terms, it's an AI co-founder. If you have a business idea, Polsia helps you plan it, organize it, and grow it. It's designed for founders, freelancers, agencies, and anyone who wants to start a business. Let's jump in. I'll open my browser, search for Polsia AI, and we're already on the website. Right away, we can see the main message: AI that runs your company while you sleep. Polsia positions itself as an AI co-founder that helps automate and grow your business. There's a Get Started button here if you'd like to try it yourself and see how the workflow works. On the right side, we have the Sign In option. I'll log in using my Google account. If you'd like to check it out, I've added the link in the description below. After logging in, we'll see how Polsia can take a simple idea and turn it into a real business. Now we're inside the dashboard. You get two options: create a new company, where you can launch a business from scratch. Grow My Company, which is designed for existing businesses that want to scale. Since we want to see how Polsia builds a business from an idea, let's click Create a New Company. Next, Polsia gives us two choices. Surprise Me, where the AI generates a business idea for you. Build My Idea, where you can enter your own concept. I'm choosing Build My Idea because I want to see how Polsia transforms a simple idea into a complete business. Now Polsia is asking for a business idea. I'm entering Weekend Mystery Trip Planner, a business that uses AI to plan surprise weekend trips. Let's see what happens. As soon as I submit the idea, Polsia automatically starts conducting market research. It's analyzing competitors, opportunities, and business categories without me doing anything manually. Now the AI is generating documents for the business. It's creating market research, email setup, and website information automatically. What's really impressive is that Polsia isn't just planning the business, it's also creating the assets. Documents, websites, social content, and email systems are all being generated automatically. And it doesn't stop there. Polsia actually begins launching the business by publishing the website and pushing assets into a live environment. This was probably the most interesting part for me. After launching the business, Polsia keeps going by suggesting next steps and growth opportunities. It's generating tasks, strategies, and future actions to help the business continue growing. And that's it. With just one simple idea, Polsia has built, launched, and organized an entire business. This is the AI agent that's tracking my business progress. I gave it one idea, and it immediately started turning it into a real company. It automatically creates actionable tasks such as market research, customer research, and next business steps, tasks that would normally take hours to do manually. Polsia also prepares social media content automatically, providing ready-to-post tweets and marketing copy. Once your business is launched, the next step is collecting payments, and Polsia includes payment setup options so you can start accepting payments from customers. You can also see your business overview, including visitors and revenue metrics. As your business grows, these numbers update automatically. Polsia even helps with email setup and customer communication, offering dedicated sections for welcome emails and ongoing communication. If you're working with a team, you can invite members to collaborate. But the interesting thing is that the AI automates a lot of the work for you. You'll also find AI-generated documents like your business mission and market research reports, meaning you don't have to write an entire business plan from scratch. For marketing, Polsia suggests ad campaigns and promotional ideas, making it easier to launch and scale your business. And perhaps most impressively, it created a ready-to-use website that I can manage directly from the dashboard. And whenever I need help, I can simply ask my AI co-founder. So that's the workflow of Polsia AI. I started with just one idea, and Polsia turned it into research, a website, and a complete business plan. If you've been waiting to launch your own idea, this might be the AI co-founder you've been looking for. If you want to try Polsia for yourself, I've added the link in the description below, so go check it out and see what you can build with AI. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.